Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is glir, which means clear. Glir, as in cadwch yn glir, keep clear. Glir, clear.